Okay, we are in the silence of the night. And we cannot see. Oh, until the refrigerator is open. Close the refrigerator. And we cannot see anything that is inappropriate. But we are learning to roll our R's. R's. And we go. Prrr, prrr, prrr. Do it. Do it.
No.
Do it.
I'm not a circus monkey.
Do it.
No.
Say prrr. Okay. And we go. That's rolling our. We're howling in Spanish. That's howling in Spanish when you do that. It really is. See, she doesn't believe me. She's laughing at me, but I'm telling you, it's the way you howl in Spanish.
You're so not sure it is.
She says it's not. She's not sure it is, but I'm telling you, you go.
I said you better not share it.
Oh, she said I should not what?
Share it.
She didn't want me to share. Oh, hello. Share it.
That big hit.
Well, you back up. People want to see your boobies. I didn't mean to spit on you. Okay, so now that you know how to howl in Spanish, go howl away at all the Spanish dogs. Are there many Spanish dogs in Texas? Well, probably not in Dallas, but there's probably some down, close to the border. So you could go howl at them.